Avoid flared bottoms if you are petite. Also wear this style for formal or casual look. ये pants volume create करते हैं thighs के around. Hi everyone, welcome back to Upstyle with Shikha. I am Shikha, your personal stylist and image coach. I help everyday women just like you and me discover their personal style, dress confidently for their body shape, and make the most of the clothes they already own. Every week on this channel, I talk about real style solutions and I always say this, अगर आपके पास कोई भी style doubt है, तो drop it in the comments below. I am listening. And exactly what today's video is about. In my last Indian wear video, someone commented asking what to wear with what top with which bottom. Her exact comment was, "Ma'am, please बताइए किसके साथ क्या पहने?" And I thought, yes, this is such a common struggle. So in today's video, I am going to simplify that for you. अगर आपको भी कभी confusion होती है कि कुर्ते के साथ क्या पहने या शॉर्ट टॉप के साथ कौन सा बॉटम सूट करेगा, then this video is for you. You are in the right place. Today, I am breaking down Indian wear combinations, what tops pair well with what bottoms, plus I'll share some body shape tips so that you know what will actually suit your body, not just what's trending. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for easy, practical and real styling tips. Let's begin. Number 1. Straight kurta. Perfect with cigarette pants, straight pants, plazos. Straight kurtas are usually knee length and have a straight silhouette. They give a very clean and elegant look. ये combination triangle shape bodies के लिए perfect होता है. It balances wider hips. Cigarette pants or straight pants add sharpness and keep the look formal and neat. अगर आप tall हैं, तो plazos भी अच्छे लगते हैं. They add a graceful flair. Avoid flared bottoms if you are petite क्योंकि they can overwhelm your whole frame. Number 2. A-line kurtas. Perfect with leggings, चूड़ीदार्स, slim fit और straight pants. A-line कुर्ता थोड़ा फ्लेयर क्रिएट करता है वेस्ट के बाद, जैसे कि एक A shape. This is great for women who has belly fat. It gives comfort and hides midsection fat very smartly. चूड़ीदार्स या लेगिंग के साथ पेयरिंग बैलेंस क्रिएट करती है with A-line कुर्ता. फ्लेयर के साथ वाइड बॉटम्स ना पेयर करें, it looks bulky and messy. You can also wear this style for formal or casual looks by just changing the accessories. Number 3. Short kurti या crop top. Perfect with dhoti pants, shararas, high-waisted plazos. Short kurtis are perfect for fusion or Indo-Western looks. Waistline पे attention देता है, so rectangle और hourglass body types के लिए एक अच्छा option है. धोती pants and tulip pants थोड़े gathered और draped style के होते हैं. They are super stylish and very trendy. Sharara is flared and festive. Make sure to balance it with a fitted or a crop top. High-waisted plazos elongate your legs, especially if you are petite. Number 4. Anarkali or flared kurta. Perfect with fitted chudidar, leggings or even jeans for a fusion look. Anarkalis are dramatic and festive. उनमें एक flare होता है from the bust below and waist below. They are great for inverted triangle body types क्योंकि ये bottom half में volume create करता है. Pair with चूड़ीदार और leggings to keep proportions in check. Flared bottoms के साथ pair नहीं करें, it will look too puffy and unstructured. Now let's look at it from the other side. What if you already have a bottom wear piece and you are wondering what to wear on top? ये section उन लोगों के लिए है जो कभी-कभी सोचते हैं I have this plazo या धोती pants but कौन सा top चलेगा इसके साथ? Let's decode it together. Number 1. Plazos. Pair them with short kurtis, fitted tops, crop tops. Plazos are wide-legged and super comfortable, perfect for summer and this monsoon. These are loose from the waist and all the way down. अगर आपके पास printed या flared plazos हैं, then go for fitted or short tops. Too long or loose tops will hide your shape and it can make you look bulky. Tall and rectangle body types के लिए best है, but petites should go for slightly narrow plazos because otherwise पूरा frame overwhelm हो जाएगा. High-waisted plazos with crop tops can give you a very modern ethnic vibe. Add jhumkas or jutis for a complete festive look. Number 2. We have dhoti pants or tulip pants, paired with fitted kurtis, peplum tops, crop tops with jackets. Dhoti pants have a draped style, gathered around the hips and taper at the bottom. Tulip pants also have a curved overlap in the front like a tulip petal. That's why the name. दोनों ही पैंट्स ट्रेंडी और इंडो फ्यूजन वाइब्स देते हैं. ये पैंट्स वॉल्यूम क्रिएट करते हैं थाइस के अराउंड. So pair them with something more fitted or short on the top. Peplum tops with structure work beautifully for pear and hourglass shapes. Avoid wearing them with long, loose kurtas. It looks baggy and shapeless. Number 3. Skirts ya lehengas. Pair with short tops, cholis, structured kurtis or shirts. Ethnic skirts are flowy and feminine, great for festive looks or wedding functions. If the skirt is flared or has heavy work, keep the top more fitted or shorter or subtle. Bottom-heavy ladies can wear high-waisted skirts with structured tops to highlight the waist. Pairing with a shirt and belt can give a very boho or an Indo-Western look. Avoid very long kurtas unless you are going for a layered anarkali type of look. Number 4, we have cigarette pants. Pair with long straight kurtas, A-line kurtis, long shirts. Cigarette pants are slim fit and end right above the ankle, very sleek and modern, perfect for office looks या casual outings के लिए भी. Petite और bottom heavy women के लिए ideal है क्योंकि ये streamline करता है आपके legs को. Long straight kurtas के साथ pair करें for a very elegant silhouette. Avoid very short tops, they break the proportion and they even look incomplete. I hope today's video helped you solve that age-old problem. इसके साथ क्या पहना जाए? If yes, hit the like button and share this with your sister, friend, या office buddy who is always confused about Indian outfits. Don't forget to subscribe for weekly styling videos, Indian wear, Western wear, body shape hacks and confidence tips. Follow me on Instagram Upstyle with Shikha for more outfit inspirations and real life looks. And remember, if you have any style query or confusion, drop it in the comments below. I love picking real questions from real women and making videos that actually help you. See you in the next one. Till then, stay stylish, stay confident. Bye-bye.